single ka pa rin. At hindi ibig sabihin ay may kulang o mali sa'yo. Sa paligid natin ay parang default na expectation na dapat may karelasyon ka na. Kapag wala, may mga tanong ka.
Basta si PG Papadi ang matira, maiinlog ka talaga.
Stay awake looking at your beauty, telling myself I'm the luckiest man alive. Cause so many times I was certain you was gonna walk out of my life. Why you take such a hold on me, girl, when I'm still trying to get my act right? What is the reason when you really couldn't fit anything you want? I don't see what I have to offer. I should have been a season, cause you could see I have potential. Do you know you're my miracle? Oh yeah, like you said, you stuck staring right at you. Like you frozen in that track, so amazed how you take me back. Each and every time I look at that, you stuck staring right at you. So when I'm lost for words, every time I disappoint you, it's just because I can't believe that you're
Hindi naman lahat ng single ay naghihintay lang na may dumating para maging buo ang buhay nila. May mga taong single dahil pinili nilang ayusin muna ang sarili nila. Pinipili muna ang stability kaysa ang kilig. Pinipili muna ang clarity kaysa sa excitement. Pinipili muna ang peace kaysa sa drama. Hindi dahil takot magmahal. Hindi dahil natuto na sa kung ano nga ba ang hindi na nila kayang balikan. May mga single na galing na sa relasyon na nagturo sa kanila kung gaano kahalaga
Basta si PG Papadi ang matira, maiinlog ka talaga.
Every single day of my life, I thank my lucky stars. God really had to spend extra time when He sculpted your heart. Cause there's no explanation, can't solve the equation. Just like you love me more than I love myself. Like a statue, stuck staring right at you, girl. Track so amazed how you take me back each and every time I look at you. Stuck staring right at you. So when I'm lost for words, disappoint you, it's just my failure. Girl, you are the reason to leave it, the reason for breathing. You're so beautiful, and I want you to feel it. You're so bad, I mean it. You're the reason for breathing. You're so beautiful. Yeah, 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 yeah. When the day is said and done, in the middle of the night, and you're fast asleep, my love, I'm the luckiest man alive.